Imagine receiving a steady stream of income just for owning a piece of a company. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of dividends. Dividends are payments made by publicly traded companies to their shareholders, often in the form of cash or additional shares. These payments are typically issued quarterly, providing a reliable income stream for investors. Companies that pay dividends are often seen as more stable and financially sound, offering a buffer during market downturns. Remember that the higher the dividend a company pays, the more potential risk there is. But what exactly is a dividend? It's a portion of a company's earnings paid to shareholders, usually as cash or stock. Not all companies pay dividends. Major players like Amazon and Alphabet have never issued dividends. Companies that do pay dividends tend to be larger and more established, with steady growth rather than sudden spikes. These companies are often referred to as dividend aristocrats, known for their long history of paying increased dividends. Dividends are paid based on the number of shares you own. Own more shares, get more dividends. Cash dividends can be sent as a check or credited to your brokerage account, which can then be reinvested. Stock dividends are paid in fractional shares, adding to your existing holdings. Key dates to remember: declaration date, ex-dividend date, record date, payment date, and settlement date. The declaration date is when a company announces a dividend will be paid. The ex-dividend date is the deadline to purchase a stock and still be eligible for the dividend. The record date is when you must be on the company's books to receive the dividend. The payment date is when dividends are actually paid to shareholders. The settlement date is when a trade is finalized, typically 2 days after a buy order. Dividends can be measured by dividend rate, payout ratio, and yield, helping investors gauge profitability. Investing in dividend stocks can be done through individual shares, mutual funds, or ETFs. While stock dividends are not taxed until sold, cash dividends are taxable income, with rates depending on their qualification. Ready to make your money work for you? Dive into dividend investing and watch your wealth grow. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.